Hey YouTube, it's Paul coming back at you. We've got an exciting video for you today. We're smacking the Mahi, the Amberjack, and we get caught in a monster storm. So if you're ready for an adventure, please follow along, watch the video. I think you'll enjoy it. Thank you. Atlantic, Central Florida area, and we are doing some trolling. We'll see what we can dredge up from the deep. Got Paul back here setting the rods now. We're gonna do some trolling for a while, see what happens, and then do some bottom fishing. So stay tuned, see what we catch, and we'll catch you on the flip side. Well, we found what we're looking for out here. We found a rip with a weed line along the edge, so we're going to troll this for a while and hopefully we can pick up some fish. But this is what you're looking for when you're trolling in the ocean. The difference in temperature and a weed line, and then troll it. See what happens. So we'll see what happens. We'll get back to you guys if we get a fish on. A what? No, it's a Mahi. We got one on. Ah, we lost him. I saw him hit it. Yeah. He's down deep. Oh shit. Well, one. Well, we had a little Mahi hit a small planer on this weed line, so we're gonna keep trolling it. Hopefully we'll dredge up some more for you. Stay tuned. Action's coming. Son of a gun. Sure did. That's over 3 of Mahi. Jeez. We might have to put some stinger hooks on them. What do you think about them apples? I could rig up little wire stingers. So we've had 3 Mahi hit our lures, but we're running pretty big ballyhoo, and they're just shredding down the about 2/3 of the way up all the way down and not hitting the hook. So we might have to throw some stingers hooks on here, hook it in the tail. All right, we got a fish on. So we got the we put chuggers out without ballyhoo because they were short striking us. They kind of small. Yeah. honey, I know. All right, first fish in the boat.
Probably why we weren't hooking them.
There's one, there's one, there's one, there's one. Oh, he's off.
Short. Up a little. 1 for 6.
Need some bigger ones.
This one has weeds on it.
Got another little mahi on. We'll ski him on in and maybe we'll hook up again on one. Gotta find the bigger ones. So you can see him back there flipping and skiing. Skipping and skiing, baby. They're liking the pink today. Must be. Catch and release.
Quick release. You want to pass back through that place?
Nah, let's find some more. Maybe we'll find bigger ones.
Alright. There's this weed patch here.
Yeah. You can see the brake kind of goes that way, but it's really weak.
Yeah.
We'll just keep trolling. We'll find another one. Look. Oh! We have one? Oh, there, he's on this one. Oh, there's another one trying to hit mine with the weeds. Oh, that was cool. Did you see that one?
This one happened. Oh, I think he snapped the line.
No.
I thought he jumped.
Oh, he was jumping because it was in his mouth. I had one chasing this with a ball of weeds on it. That's crazy, but they're still them little dinkers.
That's 9. Oh, my swivel just snapped right off.
Really? Alright, let's send this one back out. We're running the old Penn Squall 50. The old ugly stick, big water. Can't beat an ugly stick rod. I don't care what you say. Indestructible. And decent money. Yeah, that's a little cheap. just boated our third one.
Blue. Look at that.
So yeah, that's pretty. So 3 for 10. Pretty little peanut. We just gotta find the bigger ones. Pretty one. Look at how pretty that fish is. Beautiful blue color.
You can see he was hit by something.
Oh yeah.
Something took a swipe at him right there.
A wahoo. Trying to get little peanut man. We would like to catch a wahoo, but we have not today. Alright, we'll get back to you here shortly.
Might as well.
Alright, we got another fish on here, we think. Straighten the boat out. We don't get lines all tangled.
That's another TV.
Another personal best. Oh no, peanut. Ah. Oh, what's his name? It's a PB. What's that dude's name? Drives me nuts.
4 for 11 right now.
4 for 11. What's that dude's name that drives me nuts? Huh? Oh, a black tip H, yeah.
Oh, he's been hooked for a while.
PB. It's a PB.
Yo, he's missing an eye.
Missing an eye.
Yep.
Oh man. Oh Lord.
You can tell he's been.
Yeah.
He's been hit by some.
Or was the hook in his eye?
I don't know, but he's been hit down here.
Yeah.
Something toothy.
Crazy. That's what we need. We need to troll one of them puppies.
I know.
Get a big wahoo. That would be something, boy. Ah, that's something big. All right, maybe it's a reef donkey. We're trying to catch some amberjack and we're hooked up to something. Oh yeah. What size? Nice. That's just a little one. So what is it?
Looks like an amberjack.
Man, are there a ton of them underneath. Look at all the fish on the screen. Look at that. What size they gotta be?
28.
I might make it. Pliers are right here if you need them.
That would be 28.
Oh, the dairy-o, fishing we will go. Fishing we will go. Fishing we will go. Oh, the dairy-o, fishing we will go. There's another one. Now let's see if I can get on a fish. Alright, hooked up to another amberjack. Paulie's trying, but he's out of shape. Bringing in the reef donkey. Yeah, it's a little one. It's giving up. Fishing we will go, fishing we will go. Wow, you got the magic lure.
60 seconds.
Dude, how do you do that?
Double hook.
Yeah, boy. Oh, yeah.
Your thing recording?
Should be.
Oh,
This is a little one. Oh, yeah. Double header on the AJs. Oh, yeah. Fight, baby. Come on. That's all you got. Come on, baby. That's all you got. Okay. Maybe I spoke too soon. Man, they fight like a... Yeah. Okay. Okay, baby, you can come on up now. Oh, I'm gonna have to switch arms. My right one's cramping. Oh, you almost pulled me over. Ah, yeah. I need one of them butt things. It's killing me.
I told you that.
You were right. Okay. And I thought red snapper fought hard.
And these ain't even close to the size.
Holy cow. He will not budge. I think I'm too tired now to budge him. Yeah. Woo! Big.
That might be a shark.
Uh-oh. Yeah. Somebody big grabbed him. Somebody big got him. That ain't no amberjack. Holy shit. Yep.
Break this.
Oh. Wow. Whatever that is huge. I'm afraid he'll rip it right out of the rod holder. Here comes yours. There she is. Nice. Woo! Oh man. Oh, there we go. Ripped it off the jig. Or I
There's
just
another something down there.
or I
Another
just got
amberjack.
or I just got the head. Yep. You weren't joking.
Good job.
We need one keeper. That's a good one.
After this one.
Yeah, I just want to get good underwater shots. Bring them over here. Awesome. There's another one. What's that? 4 or 5?
4. I think this is an Almaco jack.
Well, that's going to be our last fish for today. There she is. Look at that beaut. Beaut. That's awesome.
Down the hatches, we're going into a storm.
All right, we're heading in from a great day of fishing, but we are driving right into the teeth of the storm. Well guys, that's the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, a like, share the video with somebody, and especially subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. I appreciate all the support you guys do give me. And until the next adventure, Paul out.